So, nangyari sa Chaong. So, hinila niyo yung katawan ng tao, isinakay niyo sa sasakyan, inilipat niyo ng San Juan para hindi na kayo magko-coordinate doon sa Chaong Municipal Station. Is this correct assumption? Makaraig.
No, Your Honor.
So, mali ako. Mali kami sa mga binabasa namin ngayon, ng mga affidavit lahat, and even the report of the provincial director and regional director. Mali kami lahat. Kayo, tama. Ganun ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So kami nagsisinungaling, hindi kayo nagsisinungaling. Makaraig. So nagsisinungaling kami mga members of this committee. Can you reply to me directly? Nagsisinungaling kami.
No, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Chair, I think the investigation conducted by the provincial director of the province of Bulacan ay medyo kompleto.
Batangas.
Batangas
Yes.
ay kompleto. Tinignan niya lahat yung mga violations na na ginawa nung team na nag-operate.
And we have to commend the provincial
I agree.
director and the of Batangas and also regional director General Lucas for
Kasi,
a job well done. Sige, go ahead.
Ang pinakamasaklap nito bakit sila nag-operate doon sa hindi nila jurisdiction?
Exactly.
And Demir, I think the statement or the investigation of the provincial director of Batangas is that inireport pa nila na doon sa Batangas, San Juan, Batangas nangyari. Doon pa lang sa mga report nila, Mr. Chair, ay talagang binibitin na nila yung mga sarili nila My interpellation will continue in the next hearing, Mr. Chair. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po, Chairman Acop. Before we proceed and before I recognize Congressman Paduano, the Chair would like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Bienvenido Abante. Meron kaming susunod na hearing dito yung aming pong excess debts. Kaya siguro 5 minutes na lang po tayo, but we will be inviting over again all these people who are involved. Ang tanong ko lamang kasi, dito sa affidavit nung si Adrian Dimalig Laresma, ay na matapos na mabaril ang aking kapatid na si Brian ay hinila ng mga operatiba na sakay sa pulang kotse upang ipasok sa loob ng nasabing sasakyan. Na pagkapasok ng aking kapatid na nasabing sasakyan ay pilit akong pinaalis ng mga operatiba sa lugar ng pinangyarihan ng insidente, at dahil sa takot ako'y umalis na at patungo sa di kalayuan ng insidente doon sa Barangay del Rosario, Chaong. So nangyari sa Chaong. So hinila niyo yung katawan ng tao, isinakay niyo sa sasakyan, inilipat niyo ng San Juan para hindi na kayo magko-coordinate doon sa Chaong Municipal Station. Is this correct assumption? Makaraig.
No, Your Honor.
So mali ako. Mali kami sa mga binabasa namin ngayon, ng mga affidavit lahat, and even the report of the provincial director and regional director. Mali kami lahat. Kayo, tama. Ganun ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So kami nagsisinungaling, hindi kayo nagsisinungaling. Makaraig. So nagsisinungaling kami mga members of this committee. Can you reply to me directly? Nagsisinungaling kami.
No, Your Honor.
Oh. So hindi kami nagsisinungaling. So tama kami. Makaraig. So tama kami. Kayo mali. Okay. So I will not be laboring on that issue anymore. I'm just wanted to clarify on this hearing that the reason why we put back this resolution of Congressman Acop is dumadami na naman po report ng bypass operation sa amin. And we will be tackling also the issue of sige, Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. RD, tsaka PD. May paraffin result ba? Nakunan ba ng paraffin result yung ano?
Sir, meron na po.
Mayroon. So, anong resulta ng paraffin result?
Negative po pareho, Your Honor.
Negative pareho. O di, ayun. Napakagaling mong bumaril, binaril ka. Perez ba? Perez. Pero nung lumabas yung paraffin result, paraffin test, negative. O saan ngayon ang pagpuputok ng biktima? O ito pa, sabi mo kanina 5 meters. 5 meters ha? 5 meters. Mr. Laresma,
Po.
sino bang unang dumating, ikaw o yung kapatid mo sa lugar?
Una po yung kapatid ko po.
Okay. Pagdating na naunang kapatid mo, so pagdating mo, nandun na yung kapatid mo.
Opo.
Okay. Pagdating mo, nandun na ba yung mga pulis?
Halos sabay-sabay po kami. Dalawang kotse po sila eh. Parang
Halos sabay.
Opo.
Okay.
Sabay-
So si Perez kanina is claiming na may nangyaring bypass. Ano ba nakita mo? Nag-usap muna sila ni Perez o
Wala po ako nakita po. Sabay-sabay po kami dumating. Tapos, po,
Tapos?
bigla po siyang bumaba ng kotse. Sabay binaril na po yung kapatid ko.
kotse, di motor?
Hindi po. Wala po ako nakitang motor kundi po yung sa akin tsaka yung sa kapatid ko.
Oh, wala palang motor, kotse daw.
Dalawang kotse po sila.
Perez, sabi mo kanina may motor ka. Perez, tinatanong kita.
Yes, Your
sandali,
Honor.
excuse Mr. Chairman, may I ask that lady at your back?
Yes, Congressman Paduano. What about that lady?
Good afternoon.
Sing.
Good afternoon, sir. Your Honor. Good afternoon, Chairperson, and to the members. I approached the Secretariat a while ago and introduced my name. I am Attorney Rotzi Laurino Bermejo, and I will tell them that I will be sitting at the back, sir. So I'm just asking Michi to answer you, sir, because apparently...
No, but you cannot coach. You know?
I didn't coach, sir. I didn't.
Oh, why you are telling them her to answer me?
I asked her to...
Now, what is your personality in this hearing?
Oh, no, sir. I just asked her to answer you.
No,
sir.
no, I ask you, what is your personality in this
Oh,
hearing?
I don't have, sir. That's why I asked
So you don't have?
permission. Yes, sir.
So you don't have business here?
I assist the San Juan Police Station.
Oh, you assist. You're the
Yes.
council.
Yeah, yes, sir. I assist.
Oh, you
them
should
today.
present yourself in this committee, not hiding at the back. Second, let me remind you, attorney, if the chairman will not allow you to give advices to your clients, you cannot.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
You understand, but you never tell us that you go.
I went
No,
to the
in this committee,
secretariat.
not in the secretariat.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, sir.
Were you invited by this committee to be present on today's hearing?
No, sir. I was
Oh.
not.
Why are you here?
Uh,
Who invited you over?
The San Juan Police Station, sir.
No.
Who hired you to be a part of their team?
It was the police station of San Juan.
Police station, because the police station is being
sorry,
represented by the new chief of police, ha?
Sir,
Hindi siya.
Sir Lingan and the rest.
So
sir.
you were hired by Colonel Tai Layag to be his personal counsel.
Yes, sir. I was requested, Mr. Chair.
But you did not inform the committee or the COMSEC about your presence on today's hearing.
I informed the secretariat a
Who?
while ago, sir.
Who among us?
Over there.
Na-inform ba kayo?
I am so sorry, but I informed them a while
Ngayon lang.
ago.
Oh.
Ma'am, yes, sir, sorry.
Mr. Chairman.
Okay, but nevertheless, please, if you whisper or say something on those invited resource speakers, you ask the permission of the chair.
I admit.
Otherwise, in the next time, we will putting you outside of this committee hearing. Okay? Go ahead,
I
Congressman.
understand perfectly, Your Honor.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank
Thank you, attorney.
Thank you, sir.
Eh,
Sorry.
Perez. O yun. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko.
Yes, sir.
O anong yes, sir?
May motor, sir.
May motor. Now you still stand na may motor.
Yes, sir.
Kanino motor yon?
Sa Alpa, sir.
Sa alpa mo. And you will not tell this committee your alpa.
Sir?
You will not tell this committee who is your alpa. Tama?
Yes, sir. I can
Okay.
tell, sir.
Pupunta natin yan sa next hearing. Kasi tatagal tayo dyan. Anyway, ganito. Sa statement mo kanina, sabi mo, na-consummate yung bypass. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes po.
Okay. So, nagbigayan.
Yes, sir.
Mark money, item. Tama? O ba't pinatukan mo yung subject?
Sir, mas nauna niya po akong pinutukan.
Hindi nga, tanong nga, ba't puputukan ka ng subject? Na-consummate ang bypass eh. Kung nagdududa sa'yo, yung subject nyo, dapat hindi na-consummate yung bypass, nagkabarila na. Oh, di ba? And, alam mo, Perez, hindi ako investigador, si chairman ako pa investigador, pero nakakaintindi rin ako konti sa investigasyon. Tsaka, chairman, tingnan mo ha, sinasabi niya kanina, mas mabuti sana sinabi mo na hindi na-consummate. Kasi kung na-consummate, walang reason na paputukan ka ng subject. Second, kung na-consummate yung bypass, hindi kayo magkalayo nun. At saka nagkaputukan. Kasi, paano makonsummate ang isang bagay kung 5 meters yung distance nyo? Magbibigayan ba kayo in 5 meters? O ilagay mo dyan, yung pera, ilagay ko dito yung items. Ganon ba? Hindi. In short, kung na-consummate yung transaction, kadikit mo yun. At the very least, yun, distance nyo is only 1 meter. Not 5 meters. Oh,
Congressman Paduano, if I may. Medyo late na po tayo sa susunod na
Anyway,
issue. But I promise you.
Last na, Chairman, ito manifestation
In the
na lang.
next hearing, you will be the first to ask
Hindi,
questions.
manifestation na lang, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, go
Hindi
ahead.
na ako magtatanong. Anyway, Perez, sa mga pulis, alam nyo, hindi pa tayo tapos. No? In the next hearing, baka madagdag kayo dyan. Saka alam ni RD yung record ko, ha. As a private citizen, as a congressman, alam ni RD kung paano ko sumuporta sa pulis. Pag tama kayo, titindigan kayo dito sa Congress. Pero pag mali kayo, pasensyahan tayo dito. Sa ngayon pa lang, alam ko nagsisinungaling ka, Perez. And I have to ask again, yung mga kasamaan mo dyan, pati yung investigador nyo. Kasi 5 lang naman kayo, di ba? Nag-operate.
Yes,
Tama?
Sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Chairman,
Oh,
I will reserve my question
Yes,
in the next
okay.
hearing.
Thank you so much,
Chairman.
Congressman Paduano. And let this be a reminder to all our members of the organization. Medyo mabigat po itong ating mga kinalalagyan. Nakakaawa po yung mga matitinong mga pulis na dadamay po sila. But we have to do this. We have to do this to cleanse the structure of our PNP. Last na tanong ko na to bago tapusin. Kasi kanina nalaman natin 7 PM lang dumating yung yung PIDEA report. Tapos 6:45 nag-operate na kayo. No firearm, no na nakalagay sa initial report yung 38 caliber, wala. Tapos no coordination with the Chaong Police Station. So, have you done this on your own? I know Colonel wala ka doon, no? Chief, wala ka doon, no? Wala ka sa area, di ba?
After the operation po ako dumating.
Saka ka dumating. Si si Makaraig, may nag-utos ba sa inyo para patayin yung taong yun?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. Talagang hindi nyo sinet up to?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Sige. Magkikita tayo sa susunod na hearing. Unfortunately, we have to wrap up with this hearing, and we will be scheduling this on the next hearing siguro. So, for the meantime, I'll be asking Congressman Acop to have a...
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
before we proceed to the next agenda this afternoon, I think there's a pending issue insofar as the detention of Colonel Reyes is concerned.
Yes, correct.
May I move that our Colonel Reyes detention be lifted after serving 15 days
Okay.
pursuant to his motion for reconsideration.
Yes.
So move, Mr. Chair.
So there's a motion that Colonel Reyes detention in this facility be reduced from 30 days to 15 days. There's a motion, and this needs a second motion. Any second the motion? Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. So, we will be issuing an order of release for Colonel Reyes, and the Sergeant of Arms who is here right now is being ordered to facilitate the custody of the 8 PNP officers who have been cited in contempt.